Okay, I came further down the road, and in here is Capitol Dome. Got an aeroplane that way. And there's Capitol Dome. Got a tree obstructing the view a little bit, so let's move over here. And that's one of the Capitol Dome is one of the reasons contributor to the name Capitol Reef National Park. So there's one of the namesakes right there, Capitol Dome. We're also at a trailhead for Hickman Natural Bridge, I think it was called. I'm not sure if we're going to go walking down it though. It's 0.9 miles and moderate. But let's take a look at this river too though. Fremont River. Got little miniature rapids there. Yeah, there's more than Cohab Canyon Trail across the bridge. There's a trail over there too. Let's go down and take a look at that sign that's down there. Okay. Some of the digits are missing. Hickman Bridge. The E is missing on bridge. It's like the one. And there's something in between there that used to be there. And rim overlook. 2 1/4 maybe. Hickman Bridge Trailhead. High desert views, traces of prehistoric American. Trail looped under the ground, 130-foot span of Hickman Natural Bridge. Stay on the trail. Okay, we are here. Hickman Bridge is up there. Yeah, they have it listed as moderate on the brochure. We still have quite a bit we want to see yet. Yeah, we saw 3 bridges yesterday, natural bridges. So I don't know. I just come down this way just to take a look at the river. We'll stay on the trail over here, though, technically, because there's where the border is. But I can see people have walked over there. Not supposed to, though. But I can see it just fine from here. You want a closer look? Easily. Go as far as that wall is up there, at least. Look at that, straight above me. Whew. Beautiful. Okay, this is as far as I think I'm going to go. See the river right here now. Well, yeah, save that for another visit. Definitely going to have to return down to southern Utah in the future. I mean, this is just amazing. It's been, gosh, it's amazing. You get to walk right underneath the ledge. One last look at where the Hickman Bridge Trail. And of course, Capitol Dome. And there we go. Going by the visitor center again. We're going down the Scenic Drive now. We came back this direction. There's a couple scenic overlooks and a Capitol Gorge Road up there. Those buildings there. Perfectly square. Flat. Pueblo. 25 along here. Oh wow, look at that. Speed bump. Yeah, on the Scenic Drive here, we decided to pull into here. There's one of the orchards. Johnson Orchard. But there's a blacksmith shop we saw a sign for. We decided to run back. So take a look at that. Okay, the blacksmith shop is right there, but we decided to take a look at this. Ripple Rock Nature Center. Looks like it's not open. Let's look from here. I think I will go take a look at it. Just see what it says. International Dark Sky Association. Okay. Darksky.org. I actually kind of like that idea. Ripple Rock Nature Center is closed for the season. It's January. There's a mountain lion closed. Okay, let's go take a look at the blacksmith shop. Looks like the door is open, so we can look in, apparently, but let's see. Cool. I wonder if they ever have like demonstrations. power horse. There we have the fire burning. Yeah, it doesn't really look like they really use it for demonstrations at all. I suppose I could tie the horses up there.
Until 1969. For much of that time, we had no running water, electricity, or telephone. There was little cash to be had on farming, so I had to be away when I was young. I worked on the big road.
That's a farming implements here. Oh, I wonder what that was. We got the same thing. It's just you can tell the horses were up there. That just basically dragged on the ground and they stood on it or something. I don't know. There's the rake. Built right up against the hill there. That roof. There's this. Okay. Gifford House Museum is sort of a quarter mile. I don't know if we're gonna stop in there. Dock Inglesby Picnic Grove. Do not feed the deer. The restrooms here. Yeah, looks like they're open too. Yep. Nice little picnic area. Since I'm here, I gotta take a look at this. Don't know if it's as interesting or not. It's alive. Huh. Oh, wow. Oh, a few new leaves emerged from the base. Summer 2010. Signs of life. There's a kind of nice for there's hope that it will revive and flourish again. Huh. Oh, that's the vine there. Yeah, looks like that's the actual vine there. Goes up and over that branch. Huh. Goes way up into the tree. Cool. Oops. Wow. Never seen a vine like that before. Okay, time to head back to the car. Now we gotta get down the road.